Bridge mode on a Spectrum modem disables its built-in router functions, like Wi-Fi and firewall, turning it into a simple data conduit for your own router. This gives you greater control over your network, allows for advanced configurations, and can improve performance, especially with high-speed internet plans. As of 2025, most current Spectrum modems support bridge mode, but older models or Eero-integrated devices may not. To get started, you'll need your own router. If using an outdated modem, ensure it's compatible with bridge mode, and check officialspectrum.net/support for help. First, connect your computer directly to your Spectrum modem using an Ethernet cable. This ensures a stable connection without Wi-Fi interference. Open a web browser and navigate to the modem's interface. Common addresses are 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in using the default credentials. These are often admin and password, or you can check the sticker on your modem. Locate the advanced or WAN settings and find the bridge mode or IP pass-through option. Enable bridge mode and select DHCPS dynamic for IP assignment, unless you have a static IP. Connect your router to the modem's LAN port using an Ethernet cable. Reboot both the modem and your router to apply the changes. Verify that your router has received a public IP address through its interface or by visiting whatismyiaddress.com. If you have trouble accessing the modem admin page, you may need to factory reset the modem first and then try again.